dysfunctional vet. I am doing a testing of my handheld GoPro camera and stabilizer. This is in Germany. We're going to go down and look at a fireplace. Here we are with the leaking hydrant for whatever reason. We've got some stairs right here. We have some kind of a concrete thing here. Got a little bit of a step right there. Not sure what this is. This obviously sees some traffic. Obviously for firewood and for laying out the food when you cook it. Let's see what's inside here. Maybe we'll find some wasp or something. Or a bird. This hasn't seen any activity in quite some time. It's very well made. Typical hinges for metalwork. This pattern was probably put on it when the plate was made. It's very well done. This is kind of interesting. See all that debris in there? This is a drainage ditch. The water comes right through here. This concrete that I saw may be a drain coming off of it. I don't know. It's something. Got a little concrete wall there. I don't see concrete anywhere else. See rocks piled up over there, and then the land goes up. Not sure what this is. Right here, what I'm standing on is a big concrete pad for this barbecue pit underneath the trees, and a large dead pine tree. You can tell because it has no bark on it. If I had to guess, I'd say that tree's going to fall right over into that other one. I'm not going to walk around out there and figure out the lean and all that good stuff, but it's pretty sure bet it's not going to do any damage to the little grill here or anything else unless the winds kick in from the right direction. So let's walk back out. In Germany, you frequently find concrete structures like the one that's in front of me, and a lot of times you have no clue what they were. Sometimes they're bits and pieces of bunkers. This is a metal plate which goes down into whatever this is. Again, I don't have a clue what it is. This is how dense the forest is here. It's about comparable to where I'm at, where I live, And by the time I post this video, I'll be back there. I just came over here for a look around. Well, I'll get on back to my seeing the sights now.